Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to find the toggle in your notification panel, so let's pull it down and find it. So it's right here. Now it's not called Do Not Disturb mode, it's just acronym right here, so DND. Once you find it, you can hold it, and this will quickly take us to the general settings location. Now we do have to still find the Do Not Disturb mode somewhere here, so there we go, Do Not Disturb. Even though it just says off, making it look like it's a switch, when you tap on it, it will actually take you to the settings. And in here we have the toggle for it. We have always or when device is locked. I'm not really sure what that refers to. I guess that Do Not Disturb mode, a kind of weird way to describe it. But then we actually have the important ones, so exceptions for incoming calls, and you have options between anyone, contacts, favorites, or none. And then below that we have notify about repeated callers option, which will basically notify you if someone tries to call you, assuming they call you twice within a 15-minute period. So if you enable this, you will get a notification completely bypassing any kind of other settings that are associated with it. As you can see right now, incoming calls, basically you shouldn't have anything coming through because it's set to none. But with this option, if someone tries to call you twice, you will be notified that someone is trying to reach you. And then at the bottom, as the last option, we have a schedule, which will simply allow you to set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. Which basically will allow you to not ever need to do anything with it. Once you set it up here once, you can just forget about it, and it will turn on and off automatically based on the provided time and day of the week. So yeah, now we can tap on it right over here and simply set the 3 different options, so start, end time, and days of the week that you wanted to repeat at. And once you save it, if you changed anything, just quickly change something. Actually, it doesn't automatically enable it. So yeah, once you set it up, make sure you tap on the toggle right here to turn it on. And this option will be completely independent, so you don't need to actually turn on Do Not Disturb mode from here. It will turn it on automatically when the time is when the time actually approaches the scheduled timer. But you can still turn it on manually yourself, either through here or through the settings. It's completely up to you. Once you turn it on, it will obey by the settings that we have chosen in there. And once you're done, you can simply turn it off by tapping on it once more, like so. Now that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.